Sawyer, what are you doing? Where'd you go? Huh? Why do you have a pumpkin on your head? Where'd you go, baby? Where are you? Where are you? Sawyer! I'm over here. Hey! Knock, 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 knock. Hello? I'm over here, baby. Hey, silly. Over here. What are you doing? You got a pumpkin on your head. Oh, are you getting scared now? Here, come on. Get off. Hold on. Oh. How did you get it on? How did you get this on your head? Oh my God. Come here. Come here. Come here. How did you do this? Huh? It's tight. How did you do that? There you are. Hey, how did you get the pumpkin on your head? How'd you do that? How did you do that? What are you doing? You silly. You silly girl. Are you hot in there? Huh? Hey, what were you doing? You want it back? There you go. And you put your toys inside. You put them in, see? Put them in the bucket, not on your head. Here. In the bucket. There you go. Not on your head. Put them in. Put them in. Pick them up. Put them in there. See? Good girl. Good girl. Are you hot in there?